Hi, my name is Kevin. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this bag. I'm going to pull it out. Hold on. So as you guys see here, I have the LA Kush mystery gift bag. This bag is given to customers who like this gift bag that they give. They do it once a month and they only do it for 1 hour and they only do a certain amount, and then once those bags ran out, yeah, they don't have any more, so you can't get any. But they only do it for 1 hour and it's only once a month, and it's at this weed shop in LA called LA Kush. And this is the brand, this is the bag, and this is not the bag of the month of the title of this video. That bag I had unboxed it in December, so it was the mystery bag of December, but I hadn't had a chance to post it, so I'm going to post it on this video. As you guys see, I have the August one here, so I'm going to do a different video unboxing this bag. So if you're curious about what comes in this bag, just watch my next video. But the one I'm going to show right now, because you guys are going to be able to tell because my hair is shorter and a different color. Yeah, so this video is about that unboxing, just in case anybody's curious about what comes out in that bag. But I'm going to do this one next. So yeah, these are just unboxing videos that I wanted to do because here in LA it's hard to find shops that I like or that have good deals or that the weed is like a good price and good quality. And LA Kush is one of those stores that always comes through. So I wanted to do this unboxing videos. Plus it's like they're really fun and they come with a lot of products and they're so worth it. So basically once a month they have these promotions where you spend $100 and then if you spend one more dollar they give you this free gift bags. The one I'm going to show you guys is the one of December because I hadn't posted it. So here it goes. Hi, my name is Kevin. Welcome to my channel. Today I have with me a bag that I'm unboxing. This is not a paid promotion, and I also wasn't reached by this company to promote this, but this is something that I'm deciding to show in my YouTube channel because I thought it was an amazing deal. And as someone who smokes weed, I'm always looking for good deals. Not just good deals, but just a good store to go to where I can get reliable marijuana and also at a reasonable price. And this is a store that has been consistently really good to me and really good quality of marijuana. And I wanted to do this unboxing because it was a pretty big deal that I got there. And I wanted to share it with you guys just in case anybody is in the LA area and you guys are looking for a good shop to go to, for good deals or good quality weed. This is one of them. So without further ado, let me show you guys what I got. So this is the bag. This is what they gave me. It looks pretty big and amazing. And this is my receipt. Basically, to get this deal, you have to spend at least $80. And you also have to be a client from the store of 7 visits, I believe. So you have to had at least visit this store 7 times for you to get this deal, which basically was I bought a 14-gram ounce of marijuana, and I also bought a Stitzy 0.5 original pod to sum up to $80. And then the rest of the things in this bag cost 8 cents each. And it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's 13 items that I got, but basically you are getting it for free because basically for 13 items, it was around $1 and something, not less, not more than $2, but basically it's for free. But we're going to unbox it. Like I said, the 14 grams I bought it and the Stitzy pot. But other than that, the rest of the items were basically for free. So we're going to unbox it. Here's the bag. And in this bag comes 2 bags sealed, and we're going to open them. Oh, and I also don't know what I got because the items were in display, but there were 2 packages that you could get. So I don't know which one I got, but And I'll put the display somewhere around here. I'll put a picture of the display, but I don't know exactly what I got. But we're going to start by opening the smaller one and see what's in here. And oh, so in the smaller one, it's the items that I did buy. So that's amazing. And here's this Ditsy pot. So it says here that it's $17, but it really costs $10 or 8.60 cents. $8 with 60 cents. So that's a pretty good deal starting with. And we got Dankeys Gorilla Glue. I really love this strain. I already tried it before and I love it. It's amazing. It smells amazing. And I'm not going to be smoking in this video. This is just an unboxing, so it's not gonna be long. And here's everything that I got. How amazing! Look! And let me unbox it or take it out. So the first thing is this Clariograms premium flour, and it's probably 1 gram. Oh, right here. Yeah, 1 gram. So 1 gram of flour. I guess I don't want to open it because there's no point in opening it and showing it to you guys because you guys can't smell it. But okay, so I got 1 gram. So here it is. We got this Berry Bond Total Active Cannabis Sativa Premium. Okay, another gram of wheat. This is ice cream sherbet, and this has to be more than 1 gram. Oh yeah, so this is an 8. So this is an 1/8 of wheat. We have 2 grams in an 1/8. That's awesome. Honestly, so far we're winning. And this is a green apple cannabis infused sour gummies. So these are sour gummies, edibles. That's pretty cute. I love edibles, especially if they're for free. And let's see, what is this? Variety pack, pineapple sativa, dime snacks, cannabis infused gummies. So we got more gummies. That's so cute. And what else? Premium cannabis oil, sativa. So this is a weed oil. Okay, that's cool. So we got a weed oil. It is sativa. We got this guava cannabis infused gummies. So we got more gummies. That's amazing. We love them. And then this, I don't know what this button is for. And we got this indica flower blem unruly. And this has to be an 8. I mean, it has to be. Yeah, it is an 8. So we got another 8. That's cool. Okay. And we got this. It kind of feels like I'm unboxing makeup. But if this is a 1 gram West Coast Golden Tinge Batter, Golden Throat. Oh, this is wax. I got wax. That's so cool. I don't even know what I'm going to use it for. Let me open it. Okay. It looks like blush or something. It has a strong odor and it's a lot of oil right there. That's awesome. So we got wheat oil. Amazing. More wheat oil. And we have 3 more items. And the next one is a lemon cherry gelato infused premium pre-roll. So we got a pre-roll and it's infused with gelato and probably moon rocks. That's amazing. I love it. Sorry if I'm going like this is because I'm looking at my camera through my mirror and I just want to see that it's still recording. But I got this pre-roll, which is amazing, and it goes next to the weed. And we got this other, which I'm assuming is also a pre-roll. Another infused pre-roll. So we got 2 pre-rolls, which is amazing. And they're not just basic pre-rolls, they're infused, which is awesome. And we got this strawberry lemonade cannabis infused non-alcoholic beverage. So it's like an edible, but like a drinkable. And it's a lemonade and then it's infused with weed. And it has a governor warning. It tells you how many milligrams you're gonna have, but everything is amazing. So that's what came in the free bag. And so basically, add Los Angeles Kush. basically it's a promotion that they're having right now. I don't know why, I don't know for what or what's the reason, but it's a promotion that they're having right now. And luckily, I was one of the clients who were able to get all of this stuff for free. But basically, at LA Kush, after buying a half a ounce and a stitzy pot around $80, they gave me this edible drink for free, this two pre-rolls for 8 cents, this um 2 eighths and 2 grams for 8 cents each, and this wax for 8 cents, this oil for 8 cents, and this three edibles each for 8 cents. So that's an amazing deal from LA Kush. I love it. I'm so here for it. And not only that, but it's really good quality weed. It's good pricing. It's in the LA area. And you get so much like exclusive deals. You can also download their app at LA Kush app. And like I said, they have really good deals. The first 3 times that you go there, you get 60% off. I was able to get all of these items for basically for free for 8 cents, which is pretty cheap. And it's so many items, and it's amazing that like these companies are like promoting their weed, and you're able to get good quality weed for like a reasonable price. And also like they have all these events where you get like free stuff or really good discounts, which is amazing. But I just wanted to show you guys this, not to brag, but just to show you guys in case anybody's here in the LA area and you guys are trying to pick up some weed and you're looking for a place that has good quality and good pricing, then go to Los Angeles Kush. Just don't go too much so things don't run out and there's still stuff for me. But thank you so much for being here. I just wanted to show you guys what I got and what you guys can also get if you guys come to LA and are looking for good quality weed. But thank you so much. That's all from me. Bye. I'm about to go smoke. Bye.